guys, Annie Falsage, owner broker Lakefront Living Realty. I am so excited. We're at another new listing. This one has never been on the market. We're in the heart of Osage Beach and Robyn Point subdivision. This is a custom built home that was also completely remodeled just a few years ago by Thomas Construction. So you have a meticulously maintained home in Osage Beach with the most incredible views. I cannot wait to show you some of the amazing features. Another one of my favorite features, that screened-in deck. It's also one of the seller's favorite spots. They call it the tree house. This time of year, we've got 180-degree unobstructed views, but in season, it is gorgeous with dogwood trees all around. But now, look at this. Talk about an open concept living floor plan. This place is designed to entertain. Completely updated. This main level features a gorgeous master bedroom plus an office. Follow me. You guys, this is the floor plan that you've been looking for. This lower level features an enormous room for entertaining second living space. Plus, you have 2 more private bedroom suites and a flex room. But again, we keep going back to the views. And as you can tell, this is the perfect package. A custom-built lakefront home in an upscale neighborhood in Osage Beach with community water, community sewer, and this awesome private pool, just a short walk from the house. So check us out at lakefrontliving.com to see this listing and all Lakefront, Missouri listings.